Dear students, in the last class we have finished the concepts what are required for exercise 1.4. Now we let us start doing problems or questions of exercise 1.4. What they have written in exercise 1.4 and then see in exercise 1.4. First question, determine whether binary operation or not. Okay, 5 operations they have given, 5 questions they have given, sub questions. They are asking us to write whether this is a binary operation or not. If not, give justification. Uh, if binary operation, there is no justification. If this is not a binary operation, then we have to give justification why this is not a binary operation. Like that, this question is there. Okay, lengthy question was there, but I have reduced it, and we will go for original questions. Okay, let us see first question what they have written. On Z plus, be careful here what they are giving. On Z plus means what? Non-negative integers. Okay, that means no negative integer will come, even 0 also may come. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Once or twice if they give in book means you have to keep it right outside like formula, and you have to memorize those. Okay, or else it may create a problem. Okay, defined by star. Star means binary operation by A star B is equal to A minus B. Okay, like this question will come. Okay, let us first write what is operation, binary operation. See, binary operation is like this. Star colon Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus. Okay, this is the function or function. The binary operation is function only, but first we have to write this one, then only you came to know what is there inside and all. Okay, okay, now you see A star B is equal to A minus B. They have given the operation. Let you take A, B some integers. Why? Because positive integer you have to take. Let A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. Okay. Why? Because the negative you cannot take. Why? Because you are already given a non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Okay. That is why you have taken positive integers. Even you can take 0 also. That is no problem. Positive. 3, 5. Okay. Then what is the operation? A star B is equal to 3 star 5. Okay. Then 3 minus 5. Then minus 2. Now you tell me minus 2 belongs to Z plus. Not belongs to Z plus. You write that one. Minus 2 not belongs to Z plus. Therefore, this is not binary operation. Therefore, this is not binary operation. Like that you have to give the answer. Okay. See what they have given question that we have satisfied. Whether this is binary operation or not, we have seen. If not binary operation, give explanation. See, not binary operation, explanation is this only. Why? Because minus 2 is not belongs to Z plus, that is why this is not binary operation. That's all. Okay. See, 5 minus 3, 2 may be Z plus, belongs to Z plus. But 3 minus 5, minus 2 is not belongs to Z plus. That is why this is not binary operation. Okay. Let us go for second one. Second question. On Z plus, again Z plus only here also, non-negative integers. Define star by A star B is equal to AB. Okay. Now you write here. Again like this. Star colon Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus comma A star B is equal to AB. Okay. Now you take same numbers. Let A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. A star B is equal to 3 star 5. that is equal to, now AB you have to write it, 3 into B, that is equal to 15. Now is this belongs to Z plus? Definitely belongs to Z plus. Why? Because see, Z plus means positive numbers we have taken, yes, okay, taken, and we have made it multiplication as per this AB. 15 also will be there in Z plus. See, Z plus means up to infinity will be there. Up to infinity will be there. Okay. Now this belongs to, see, like this you write, 15 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, this is binary operation. This is binary operation. Okay. Now you understand, na? Like this you have to answer the questions. Let us go for third and fourth. Okay. See the third and fourth parts of this first question. On R, this time this is real number and no positive, negative or something. Real number means complete real number they have given. They have not given any R plus or something like. That means we have to see this binary operation or entire the real numbers. Star by A star B is equal to AB square. Okay. Let us write answer for this one also. Okay. Let us see. First write the binary function. Binary function star is equal to or colon R cross R to R, comma A star B is equal to AB square. Random numbers like that you take. Real number is there. Real number means at least one you take rational number. Okay. Let A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3 by 4. Why I have taken this? See, simple numbers. Why we take? We take normal numbers, rational number also like. Okay. Even you can take this minus also. Let A is equal to -2 and B is equal to 3 by 4. Why? Because see, negative integer and rational number both are there. Both will come under real number. In real number all they are having. Now let us see. A cross A star B is equal to -2 star 3 by 4. Okay. Minus is there, put bracket. Okay. Now this is equal to AB square. A means what? -2 into B square means 3 by 4 whole square. Put under bracket. Okay. -2 into 9 by 16. Okay. That means see 2 8 times it go. 2 8 times. -9 by 8. Okay. Now you tell me, is this belongs to real number or not? Why? Because here not given R minus or R plus. R means all numbers are there. Even non-zero real number also they have told, not told. That means even zeros, everything, negative, positive, rational, irrational, all will be there. This is a negative rational number. Okay, negative rational number. Okay. Now -9 by 8 belongs to R? Yes, belongs to R. Is this a binary function? Yes, binary function. Then write that one. -9 by 8 belongs to R. Therefore, this is binary function. Binary operation. Binary operation is a function. You write binary operation. Okay. This is binary operation. Let us go for fourth one. On Z plus, define star by A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Here you think carefully. Why? Because see, Z positive they have given and here A minus B they have given. Even here binary operation you have told. Even if you reverse also. Why? Because see, -2 3 by 4 will be there. 3 by 4 -2 also will be there in the sector. Why? Because Cartesian product. Even if you make reverse also, this answer is going to come. That is why this is binary operation. Okay. See this one. Okay. Now this is modulus. Okay. First let us write this operation. Binary operation star colon Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus. Okay. Comma A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Okay. Now you take such that b should be greater and a should be lesser number. Why? Because a minus b minus should come. Okay. Let a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5. Why I have not taken 3 by 4? Because this is integer. Integer doesn't have 3 by 4, 2 by 3. Why I have not taken minus 2? This is a non-negative integer. That is why minus will not come. That is why I have taken 3. Okay. Now start the answer. Okay. We have taken a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Again you write a star b is equal to modulus 3 minus 5 modulus minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now you tell me 3 belongs to z plus or not? Definitely belongs to z plus. Then this is a binary operation. You write like this: 2 belongs to z plus, therefore this is binary operation. Okay, you understand? Like this you have to write in examination. Okay, except the first one, now all have become binary operations only. One more is there, fifth one, that also we will see. Okay, see, on z plus define, that means non-negative integers, define star by a star b is equal to a. Here clearly if you observe a star b operation, but a only is giving answer. 1 2 if you take 1 will come, 2 3 if you take 2 will come, 5 6 if you take 5 will come. Why? Because in a position what you are taking, that only going to come. That means here z plus cross z plus. Okay, and now let us see, write the answer. Okay, we see how I am writing. Binary star colon z plus cross z plus to z plus comma a star b is equal to a. Let a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Why? Because both positive you have to take. Okay, non-negative integers. Okay, now a star b is equal to 3 star 5, that is equal to 3. Why? Because a has to come. Here a is 3, b is 5. Okay, 3 has come. 3 belongs to z plus, definitely belongs to z plus. Why? Because see, here whatever element you are taking, this will be z plus only, z plus only, z plus only. Okay, now you write 3 belongs to z plus, therefore this is binary operation. Okay, like this you have to answer the questions. Now let us go for second question. See the second question. Second question, what they have written: for each operation, binary operation star defined below. That means 5-6 questions are there, but one by one we go. Why? Because it will take space. Determine whether star is binary, commutative, associative. That means we have to go for whether first of all it is binary. If binary, then you go for commutative, associative. If not binary, we need not go for commutative, associative. Why? Because when this is not a binary function, we need not go further. Like that, the question is there. Okay. First question, you see, first part. On z, see here, this is not z plus or z minus or z star. Z plus z. Okay, that means all integers will be there. Negative integer will be there, positive integer will be there, 0 will be there. Define a star b is equal to a minus b. Okay, first let us see binary operation. If it is a binary operation, then you go for commutative, associative. Let us see. Okay, now first let us for binary operation. Like this you write: for binary operation, for binary operation. Okay, colon dash. Okay, now a star b is equal to a minus b, comma, let a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2. or you want you can take any one minus. Why? Because see, integers means minus may come, but 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4, that will not come. Why? Because integers. Why? Negative also will be there. A, B I have taken positive, C I have taken negative integers. All we have covered. Now C why I have taken C, if it is a binary operation, then we have to do associative also. For associative, C is required. For commutative, A cross B, B cross C, okay. A star B, B star C, B star A. But for associative, A star B, B star C, B star C. Then C is also required. Okay. Now first let us finish this binary operation. Again you write A star B is equal to 3 star 4. Okay, 3 star 4. That is equal to 3 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1. Now you tell me minus 1 belongs to Z. This is not Z plus. This is Z. Z means negative, positive, all will be there. Negative integers also will be there. Then this is belongs to Z. Therefore binary operation. Okay, you write first minus 1 belongs to Z. Binary operation. This is binary operation. Okay, like that you have to write. Okay. Now this is a binary operation we confirmed. Now we go for commutative. Why? Because second one is commutative. Again write for commutative. For commutative, what will be commutative? A star B is equal to B star A. Okay. If this is, then this is commutative. But LHS we already know. LHS A star B 3 cross 4 minus 1. You write LHS is equal to minus 1, comma RHS is equal to, you do RHS only, B star A. Because A star B already we know, minus 1. Okay. Here full stop is there. You put full stop, minus 1, full stop, minus 1 belongs to Z. Like that you have to write. RHS, B star A. B star A means what? 4 star 3. That is equal to 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. 1. Okay. See here. He is not asking. First one is binary operation over. Now we have to see commutative. That means A star B should come B star A. But A star B is minus 1. B star A is plus 1. Both are not equal. Then this is not commutative. Let us write. Full stop you put minus 1 not equal to plus 1. Therefore, this is not commutative. Okay, not commutative. Okay. See, when it is not commutative, 99.99% it is not going to become associative also. Let us do associative also. Write associative. Write associative. For associative, okay, for associative, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Now parenthesis. First AB, next BC equal to, okay. Okay. Now one by one you take LHS, RHS. LHS is equal to A star B you are having. A star B. A star B is how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 star C. C is how much? Minus 2. Okay. However, directly I have written A star B minus 1 you are having. C is minus 2. Star first you keep. Okay. Now, what is the operation minus 1? That means minus 1 minus of minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 1. This is LHS. Now you go for RHS. RHS. A star, that means 3. 3 star. 3 star in bracket B star C. B is how much? 4 star C minus 2. That is equal to 3 star 4 star minus 2. 4 minus of minus 2. That's all. 4 minus of minus 2. That is equal to 3 star 6. That is equal to 3 minus 6. That is equal to minus 3. Now you tell me 1 and minus 3 are equal? Not equal. Write that one. 1 is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, this is not associative. Okay, see second part. On Q, define A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Okay. Here, on Q means rational number, quotient. Let us write first for binary operation. Okay. Then we go for remaining operations. Okay. Now, how I am writing, you see. Star colon Q cross Q to Q. Okay. A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Now you write for binary operation. For binary operation, colon dash. Now let A is equal to, see here rational number we have to take, rational number, positive and negative both we take. Say let us take 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 2 by 3, C is equal to 3 by 4. See, positive rational number, negative rational number all have covered. Why? Because rational numbers. 1 by 2, minus 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Okay. Now let us see for first binary operation. A star B is equal to 1 by 2 star minus 2 by 3. Okay. Minus 2 by 3. That is equal to AB 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. That is equal to, see 2 goes minus 1 by 3. See minus 1 by 3 plus 1 will come. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1, how much it is going to become? Minus 1 plus 3. 2 by 3. Now you tell me 2 by 3 belongs to rational number? Yes. Therefore, this is a binary operation. Write that one. 2 by 3 belongs to rational number Q. Okay. Therefore, this is binary operation. Okay. Now because this is binary operation, then you go for commutative. If this is not binary operation, then you need not go. Okay. Now write commutative. For commutative. For commutative. For commutative. Okay. For commutative, what will be the property? A star B is equal to B star A. If this is there, then this is binary operation. But we know LHS. LHS already, A star B we are having 2 by 3. LHS is equal to 2 by 3, comma, RHS. You take RHS now, B star A. B star A is equal to, B is how much? Minus 2 by 3 star 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Same 2 by 3 only is going to come. You see, okay? 2 will going to cross, minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Same like top, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 will come 2 by 3. That means here LHS is equal to RHS. Rather than these figures, you write LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, this is commutative. Okay? Like that you write LHS is equal to RHS, commutative. For commutative, LHS is equal to RHS means commutative. Okay? Now you go for associative also. Associative. For associative. Okay. Associative, what will be the property? A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, but here parenthesis will be for AB, here BC. Okay, now you LHS already A star B you are having. LHS is equal to, say, A star B star C is equal to A star B how much? 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 star C is how much? C is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1. Is it correct? Because AB plus 1, AB plus 1. Okay, now 3 going to get cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. Is it correct? 1 plus 2, 3 by 2. Okay, now this is LHS. We'll go for RHS also. RHS will be A star B star C, that is equal to A is how much? A is 1 by 2 star B minus 2 by 3 star C 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 star C. First you finish this one, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1. Okay, same. 3 going to get cancelled, minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will come. Okay, now you write 1 by 2 star 1 by 2. Why? Because this is going to become 1 by 2. Directly I have written. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 means how much? 1 by 4 plus 1. Well, this is into multiplication. This is addition. 1 plus 4, 5 by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4. Now you tell me 3 by 2 and 5 by 4. Both are different. Okay. You write like this. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. First you write, then you write not associative. Therefore, not associative. Okay. Like this you have to answer the question. See, this is binary and commutative also, but not associative. Okay. Now we go for third. Okay. See the third part. On Q, that means rational number, define star by A star B is equal to AB by 2. Okay, here also let us take ABC some elements. First, before that you write operation. How? Star colon Q cross Q to Q, comma A cross A star B is equal to AB by 2. Let A is equal to, see here rational number they have given, but they have not given positive or this thing, like only rational number, means all rational numbers will come. Like earlier we take A is equal to 1 by 2, comma B is equal to minus 2 by 3, comma C is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, this we have taken. Randomly we have taken. Okay, all are rational numbers only. Positive rational number, 1 negative we have taken. 2 positive, 1 negative we have taken. Now, let us do first for binary operation. For binary operation, column. Okay. A star B is equal to AB by 2, comma. Now I take 1 by 2 star minus 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 by 2. Is it correct? Yes. 2 get cancelled, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now you tell me minus 1 by 6 is a rational number or not? Rational number only. Then this is a binary operation. Minus 1 by 6 belongs to Q. Therefore, this is binary operation. Okay, first you write that one, then you go for commutative. When it is binary operation, then you go for commutative. For commutative, okay, for commutative, what will be the commutative property? A star B should equal to B star A. LHS we are having, LHS is equal to minus 1 by 6. You need not do minus 1 by 6, this A star B again. B star A you see, RHS is equal to B star A is equal to, B star A means minus 2 by 3 star 3 by 4. Okay, oh sorry, 1 by 2. You reverse this, that's all. Minus 2 by 3 star 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 by 2. Why? Because AB by 2. Okay. Now same result is going to come. You see, whether you multiply with AB or BA, same result is going to come. That means minus 1 by 6 only you are going to get. Minus 1 by 6. Okay. Minus 1 by 6. Now you write LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, this is commutative. This is matlab, this is means what here? This is means this operation is, this binary operation is. Why? Because there is binary operation is a function. This function is, like you can say. Okay, now this function is a binary operation and commutative also. But let us go for associative. Whether is it associative or not also we will see. Okay. For associative. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C should come, but this parenthesis will be like this, between AB, between BC. Okay. Now A star B, LHS A star B already you are having. Little bit time you can save. LHS is equal to A star B star C, that is equal to A star B how much? Minus 1 by 6. You write minus 1 by 6 star C 3 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now you remove star. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 by 2. Why? Because AB by 2. This is operation. Okay. If you see now, 3 2 times it go minus 1 by 8 by 2. Is it correct? You see, 3 2 times. 3 2s are 6. 2. 2 into 4 8. Minus 1 by 8 by 2. And this is minus 1 by 16. Okay. Minus 1 by 8 and 2 by 1. 1 by 2 you have to make. Minus 1 by 16. This is LHS. You go for RHS now. RHS is equal to A star B star C, that is equal to A is how much? 1 by 2 star, B is minus 2 by 3 star 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 same will come star. Okay. Now minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 by 2. 1 by 2 outside same, but inside you see now T3 going to get cancelled. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 star minus 1 by 4. Is it correct? Okay. Now you go for this operation also. 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 by 2. AB by 2. Okay. Now you see minus 1 by 8 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 16. LHS is equal to RHS. You write LHS is equal to RHS and this is associative. Okay. Now this figure, this operation has become binary operation, commutative and associative. All three. Okay. Okay. You write LHS is equal to RHS. Minus 1 by 16, minus 1 by 16. Therefore, associative. You write this is associative, or this function is associative, this operation is associative. I have written only associative. You write therefore this operation is associative, or this binary operation is associative. Like that you have to write. Okay, now we finished this third part of the second question. We go for fourth part. Okay, you see fourth part of the second question. On z plus, again it has come non-negative integers. Non-negative integers you have to keep in mind. Define a star b is equal to 2 power ab. Now here first what operation we have to write, and we have to take abc. Okay, positive integers. Then we see for each one, binary, commutative, associative. If not binary, then we need not see commutative, associative. Let us see. Okay. Now you write operation star colon z plus cross z plus to z plus. Okay. Okay. Now you write a star b is equal to 2 power ab. Let a, b, c all you take. All positive integers you have to take. A is equal to say 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. You take. Okay. Don't take a, b, c bigger numbers. Why? Because power you have to make. 2 power 6 or 7 means it becomes tedious. That is why you take smaller numbers. Then we will see. Now we have taken a also. Now you write for binary operation. Okay. Now I am writing for binary operation. For binary operation. Okay. Binary operation is this one. A star b is equal to 2 power ab, comma a star b means 2 star 3 is equal to 2 power 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64, but keep it like that only. Now you tell me 2 power 6, that means 64 is belongs to z plus or not? Z plus only. That means this is binary operation. You write that one. You write like this. 2 power 6, that is equal to 64, belongs to z plus. Therefore, this is binary operation. Okay. One thing was over. Because this is binary operation, then we go for commutative also. Or else we need not go. Okay. Let us write for commutative also. For commutative. Okay. Okay. For commutative, what will be the property? A star b equal to b star a. This will be the commutative operation. But you a star b already LHS you are having, LHS 2 power 6. You write that one. LHS is equal to a star b is equal to 2 star 3 is equal to 2 power 6. Okay. Now you go for RHS. RHS is equal to b star a, that is equal to 3 star 2, that is equal to 2 power 3 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 6. Okay. See, both are same. See, here operation is multiplication. Binary operation, power, even though it is power, but multiplication. But 2 power ab is equal to 2 power ba. Okay. Now LHS is equal to RHS. You write. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Therefore, this is commutative. Okay. Now this is commutative. Now we have seen binary and commutative. Let us go for associative also. Associative. Write for associative. For associative. Okay. Associative, what will be the property? A star b star c is equal to a star b star c. Here AB, here BC. Okay. Only AB we are having, remaining all we have to do. LHS is equal to A star B star C, that is equal to A star B how much? 2 power 6. 2 power 6 star C is how much? C is 4. Okay. Now that is equal to C. Now if you want to remove star, 2 power 64 into 4. 2 power 6 is 64. We have already written here. 64 into C. If you want to remove this operation, then 2 power AB you have to keep. 2 power A is 2 power 6, B is 4. 64 into 4, how much it will come? 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 2 power 256 it is going to come. The LHS. Then go for RHS also. Why? Because 2 power 256 this is LHS. RHS is equal to A star B star C. That is equal to A is how much? 2 star. Now B star C you write. B is 3 4. Okay. 3 star 4. That is equal to 2 star 2 power 3 into 4. Is it correct? 2 power AB. 2 power 3 into 4. 2 power 12. That means 2 star 2 power 12. 2 power 12 what? We don't know. Let it be like that only. No, come for remaining problem. Okay. Now again that is equal to. Now I want to remove this operation. Then 2 power 2 into 2 power 12. Okay. You understand, na? Why? Because this is A, this is B. 2 power AB. 2 power A is 2. 2 power B is 2 power 12. See. Now bases are same. 2 power 2 means 2 power 1 is there. 2 power 13. Okay. Now you see fifth part of the second question. On Z plus, that means here again positive integers, non-negative integers are there. Define A star B is equal to A power B. Okay, A power B like that is given. Now first you write binary operation, then you take A, B, C, let then you proceed for binary operation. If it is a binary operation, then you further proceed for commutative and associative. Let us do. Okay. See again you write star colon Z plus cross Z plus to Z plus comma A star B is equal to A power B full stop. Let A is equal to, see here Z like earlier only we take 2. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Okay, like that you take. A, B, C also you have taken. Why? Because C, why you have taken? C for associative. Okay. Now you write for binary operation. For binary operation. Okay. Okay. A star B is equal to 2 star 3, that is equal to, see A power B, 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. Now you tell me this 8 belongs to Z plus? Definitely belongs to Z plus. Then this is binary operation. You write like that. 8 belongs to Z plus. Therefore, this is binary operation. Okay. Okay. Now you write, because this is binary operation, you go further. Commutative. For commutative. Okay. Commutative means what is the property? A star B should equal to B star A. LHS already you are having 8. You write LHS. LHS is equal to 8, comma, RHS is equal to, you write RHS is equal to, now B star A. Write first B star A, that is equal to, B is 3 star A is 2. That is equal to, see here A power B means 3 power 2 will come. 3 power 2, that is equal to 9. Now you tell me LHS, RHS both are different. That means this is not commutative. You write same. LHS is not equal to RHS. Why? Because this is 8, this is 9. therefore this is not commutative. Okay, now this is not commutative. Now you go for associative also. Okay, for associative, what is associative? A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Here AB, here BC. Okay, now see, for LHS only A star B you are having, that you write LHS is equal to, again you write A star B star C, that is equal to A star B you are having, A star B is 8 star C is how much? 4, that is equal to, now 8 power 4, A power B, 8 power 4. 8 power 4 means you bring it in terms of 2. See, 8 will be 2 power 3 power 4, that is equal to 2 power 12. A power M power N, A power Mn. Okay, 2 power 12. You keep it like this only. You go for further. RHS. RHS is A star B star C. Okay, A star B star C, that is equal to, A is 2 star, B is 3 star 4. Okay, 2 star B star 3 star 4, what you have to write? 3 power 4. 3 power 4, that is equal to 2 star 3 square is 9, 9 square is 81. You write 81. Okay, now again you write here 2 star 81 is equal to 2 power 81. Why? Because A star B is equal to A power B. 2 star 81, 2 power 81. See, now 2 power 81, 2. Okay, if you observe, LHS is 2 power 12, RHS is 2 power 81. Both are different. If both are different means LHS is not equal to RHS, that is why this is not associative. Same thing you write. You write like this, sir. LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore this is not associative. This is not associative. Okay, this function is only binary but not commutative, not associative. This is the fifth part of your second question. Part of your second question on R minus minus 1. That means real number set will be there. In real number set you have to remove minus 1. Why? Because the positive, negative all will be there. Integers, rational numbers all will be there. But negative integer, in negative integer minus 1 you have to remove. And remaining will be the domain, like is telling. Define A star B is equal to A by B plus 1. Whether this is a binary operation or not, first we have to see. If this is not a binary operation, then we will not go further. Okay. Now first you write binary operation, how the representation we are making. We are making like this. Binary star colon R minus minus 1 cross R minus minus 1 to R minus minus 1. Okay. Now what you understand here, R minus minus 1, R minus minus 1 are there. You made Cartesian product. In this Cartesian product minus 1 never comes. R plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 will not come in AB. But here also minus 1 should not come. Why? Because here also minus 1 is not there. If minus 1 comes, then this is not a binary operation. Okay. Now converse you take. For coming minus 1, what you have to take, that we will see. If that is okay, then this is not binary operation. That's all. Okay. You do like this. A by B plus 1 is equal to minus 1 I have taken. Why? Because if this comes means here it has to come. Here if it comes means this is not binary operation. Okay. That is equal to A is equal to minus B minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 into B minus B minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Now you send this side. A plus B is equal to minus 1. Okay. A plus B, if it becomes minus 1, then this function is going to become non-binary operation. What are the possibilities? You see, first I take 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Why? Because 1, 2 are there. Only minus 1 are there. But if you take this, automatically minus 1 will come. Then this is not a binary operation. Several are there. If you take 1, 2, this one, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. All minus 1 will come. Okay? You see, let us say take 3 minus 4. A is 3, B is minus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 3 by minus 3. That is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 counts means here minus 1 is not there in codomain. Why? Because this is domain. Cartesian product, this is a codomain. In codomain, minus 1 is not there. Then if any function, if doesn't find element, here if that element is left, then that is not going to be called as a function. Binary operation is a function. Okay, that is why this is not binary operation. But how to write and all, you see how I am writing. You write like this, sir. As codomain does not contain minus 1 as element, comma, there should not be a result of minus 1. There should not be a result of minus 1. But 2 and minus 3 as A and B, etc. Why? Because not only these two are, several are there, etc. gives minus 1 as a result for codomain. Ultimately, this operation, see, this is operation, you can write this operation makes non-binary, non-function for binary. Okay, like this you write and close this answer. You understand, na? Why? Because see, as codomain does not contain minus 1 as element, there should not be a result of minus 1 from domain. But 2 and minus 3 as A and B, etc. gives minus 1 as a result for codomain. Ultimately, this operation makes non-function for binary. This you write and close this answer. With this, you have completed your second question. Next class and all, we will see from third question onwards. Thank you very much.